and welcome back to another video of World Z. So, today I am really excited because a couple of hours ago I got this. A haunted house gingerbread cookie, chocolate cookie kit. And I really want to make it, so let's get started before stuff gets stale. Right now, I have my trusty little guy, Pum, the pumpkin, that I got today with, so yeah. So let's get started. First, let's open this. Alright. There's nothing in this. I'm going to put this here for reference. But this is all we get in the box. We have some black icing. Yes, this is black icing. Orange icing. Some candy bats, candy bones, some jelly beans, little candies, and then the cookies. Then right here's a little ghost. Hold on. So, this upside down. Here's a little ghost. So let's open this. I'm going to put all this in here. So I have all this on hand. Alright. It smells like chocolate. It smells so good. So I'm building this from scratch, which I've never done. I've gotten pre-made ones, then decorated them. But that's in a different video. So I'm unwrapping this. Shove it off there. Alright, I don't know how to do this. Oh my gosh. This is some thick icy frosting. Oh my gosh. It's like I don't want to pop it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. There you go. I did it.
Cool, thank you. Let's stick this on now. Stick. It doesn't hold. Is this the side?
Yeah, and then they want you to...
I'm smart.
No, that's not the side. That's the roof.
This is the side.
So what they want you to do is put 2 stripes.
Are you kidding me? Why do they want me to use all this frosting? I could be using it for my mouth. Thank you, Daddy.
So instead of putting that up like that...
Why?
lay it
Oh,
down.
put it all on at the same time.
Yeah.
Goodness, that seems like a lot of work. Farted.
There.
We did it.
Now up. There you go.
Why?
Because that's how it's...
It's standing. No, keep it. Squeeze. There, I did it. Okay, now that's dirty. Let's put the roof on. I'm a bit nervous. I'm going to attempt to use the black. I said attempt. So, Oh. Your heat, Daddy.
Do what I can.
Oh my gosh. Put this here. Alright, let's put this at the same time. 17, 18. Oh, it broke! Alert! Alert! It broke, Daddy. It broke. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. Oh my gosh. I need your help, Daddy. Can you pipe a line down the middle, please?
They're sliding.
Yeah.
Here, wait, why don't you?
No. No. This is harder than I expected, you guys. Stay. Stay. Please stay. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Alright, we're gonna do the ghost, because you know, why not? I'm going to have the ghost eyes and pupils, because you know, can't have eyes without pupils. That's a sad pupil. That's also quite a sad pupil. Oh no. That didn't work. It's like his tongue. Alright, now that I'm done with the ghost, let's move on to decorating the house. What shall I do? On the thing, it looks like they have like the drippy thingies. I don't know how to do that. But I'm going to fill in these curved things. Like that. Then alright, now we're going to turn it into montage mode. Perfect. Now for the ghost. He's a rabbit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. A pumpkin. Pum, I'm making you. Alright guys, so I am done. Here's the finished product. This is the front. And here's a little ghost. He's dressing up as a pumpkin. And he has his little basket in his hand with some candy. So yeah, it's pretty easy, except for the house part, like building it. There were a couple bumps in the way. I mean, like, we got through it though, because it's pretty strong icing. So, going on to the side, here's the side of the roof. I try to make these little ice, like, you know, the icicles for like Christmas, gingerbread houses. I try to make those. Don't know if that really worked or not. But here's the side of the house. It's an old and raggedy house. That's why there's a lot of icing dripping off of it. Then here's the backyard. Now, this backyard, pretty bland. But yeah. Moving on to this side of the house. Almost like the other side of the house, but pretty different. And yeah, I've all this candy and icing left over. Don't know what to do with it. One more thing left to do then. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye!